everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I wanted to come on today and show you what I got from Premier Yarns. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so I got this box right here full of yarn. And I was actually looking at Crystal from Bag of Day Crochet, and she showed this beautiful yarn. So I want to go ahead and share it with you all. It's a bulky weight 5. And for those of you that saw it, this will be a recap. And for ones that haven't, hey, check it out. It's called FURLS. Look how big this is. Like, really? It's as big as my head, almost. Look at that. So these pretty babies right here, I just love the colors. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is hand wash, lay flat to dry, bulky weight 5. This is 464 yards, which is 424 meters. This is 7 ounces, which is 200 grams. And like I said, it is a bulky weight 5. You guys can see that. And oh, for the hook size, you'll need for a crochet hook a 5.5 millimeter, which is an I hook, an I9. And for the knitting needles, you'll need a 5.5 medium, and a US 9. This is nice. And I think this will make a great sweater. This is 73% acrylic, 15% polyester, and 12% polyamide. Can you all see that? All right, awesome. It's kind of soft. Yeah, nice and fuzzy. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you the colors because I got 3 different ones. We'll start with this one, which is the color of the year for Lion Brand. This is terracotta. Yes, it is. This is terracotta. We have midnight blue. And last but not least is this beautiful deep purple for you purple lovers. Look at that. Ooh, that would make a nice hat and scarf set. It would also make a nice sweater. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Look at that. So you can see the strand. Very nice, very nice. So I was really excited to get these. Okay, so I went ahead and I looked at my order slip, and for each one of these was $7.99 a piece. And they also put this nice fall winter. It says 20 to 21. And they put this in there. And it has so many different skeins of yarn and different cakes with the different colors in there. I thought this was really neat, so I'm really looking forward to seeing that. Oh, I see. The front part and the back part is one complete picture. I'll try to put it all in the camera so you can see. I thought that was very neat. Oh my goodness. I need to go through this. And they actually have patterns on the back. These are the featured patterns. So if you're interested in checking those out, you can go on their website. Oh, this is really nice. So it gives us an overview of the different types of yarn. Here's the everyday anti-pilling with all of the colors. This is very nice. I like this because at a glance you can see what they have available, and you can see whether or not this is going to work for any of your projects. So I have to make sure that I let you know that. Okay, next we have the Serenity Premier Chunky. And this is very, very pretty. This is 100% acrylic. Make sure you all can see that. It's 109 yards. It's 100 meters. And it's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. This is a bulky weight 5. The knitting needles, you'll need an 8mm US 11. And for the crochet hook, you'll need an 8mm US L 11. Machine wash, warm, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. And they have this particular throw that's on the front. This is available on premieryarns.com. Next, I have, oh, I didn't tell you what color it was. This particular one is called Amethyst. The next one I'm going to show you is in the colorway. See, I can't see. Stormy. Ooh, very nice. And for those of you that love a lot of extra color, you could probably put these together and make something very nice, like a shawl or a scarf, some type of top. You can mix the colors. And each one of these were $3.99 a skein. And that's all I got from Premier. So thank you for hanging out with me and giving me an opportunity to show you all these beautiful colors, this nice Premier yarn. And if you're interested, I am wearing the She Friends shirt. This is really, really nice. I love it. So if you know Shira from Lion Brand, she is the brand ambassador for Lion Brand. She has what's called the She Show. And as a matter of fact, on the back, can you all see that? It has the She Show on the back. I was excited because when I first ordered, I didn't even notice that. But anyway, if you'd like to get one of these nice soft shirts, go ahead and check out the lionbrand.com website. So thank you so much for tuning in and have a glorious week. Bye.